Something stalks the Florida Everglades. It smells of rotten eggs and wet dog. This isn't just a campfire story. Across decades, witnesses describe a large, bipedal creature shrouded in mystery and an unmistakable, pungent odor. It's Florida's answer to Bigfoot, a cryptid known locally as the skunk ape. The Everglades, a vast, ancient wetland, provides an ideal habitat for a creature seeking to avoid human contact. Its labyrinthine waterways and dense vegetation offer both sanctuary and an abundance of food sources, from fish to small game. Unlike its Pacific Northwest cousin, the skunk ape has a distinctive characteristic: its overpowering stench. This odor is so consistently reported that it's become central to its identity, giving the creature its memorable, if unappetizing, name. Reports of large, ape-like creatures in Florida date back to the early 20th century, but the term skunk ape gained prominence in the 1960s and 70s. This period saw a surge in sightings, particularly around the Big Cypress National Preserve. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence emerged in 2000, the Mayeka skunk ape photos. A woman anonymously mailed 2 photographs to the Sarasota County Sheriff's Department, claiming they depicted a skunk ape in her backyard. The photos show a reddish-brown, ape-like creature crouched in the shadows, peering from behind a tree. The woman described it as an injured orangutan, but its large size and distinct posture suggested something far more unusual. Skeptics quickly dismissed the images as a hoax, perhaps a person in a suit or a misidentified animal. Yet, the anonymous nature of the submission, coupled with the lack of any attempt to profit, left many cryptozoologists intrigued. Beyond photographs, numerous eyewitness accounts paint a consistent picture. Hikers, hunters, and even park rangers describe a creature standing between 5 and 7 feet tall, covered in dark, coarse hair, moving with surprising agility. The most striking detail, repeatedly, is that overpowering stench. Witnesses describe it as a foul combination of rotting meat, sulfur, and stagnant water. A smell so potent it can linger in an area long after the creature has moved on. Could this odor be a defense mechanism, or perhaps a natural byproduct of its diet and environment? The Everglades is a hot, humid place, and decomposition is rapid. A large, wild primate would certainly carry a distinct aroma. One theory suggests the skunk ape is a surviving remnant of Gigantopithecus blacki, an extinct ape that once roamed Asia. While compelling, the geographical distance makes this particular theory highly improbable without a land bridge. More plausible is the idea of a relict hominid, a population of human-like primates that evolved separately or diverged from early hominids, adapting to the unique challenges of the Everglades environment. Another hypothesis points to misidentification. Black bears are common in Florida, and standing on their hind legs, they can appear remarkably human-like, especially at a distance or in low light. Their diet can also make them smell unpleasant. However, most skunk ape witnesses are familiar with local wildlife. They report seeing a creature with distinctly non-bear characteristics: longer limbs, a more upright gait, and a face that isn't quite ursine. Could it be a feral ape? Escaped chimpanzees or orangutans have been known to survive in the wild for periods, but a self-sustaining population, breeding undetected for generations, seems a stretch. The sheer scale of the Everglades is often underestimated. It's a vast wilderness, over 1.5 million acres, much of it impassable to humans. This provides ample space for large animals to remain hidden from our scrutiny. Consider the Florida panther, once thought extinct, only to be rediscovered and meticulously tracked. The Everglades has a proven track record of hiding large, elusive predators. The skunk ape could be just another example. Dedicated researchers, like Dave Sheely, a lifelong Everglades resident, have spent decades attempting to document the skunk ape. Sheely claims to have seen the creature multiple times and even captured grainy video footage. His efforts, while often met with skepticism, highlight the enduring fascination and determination of those who believe. They aren't seeking fame, but answers to a persistent mystery that defies easy explanation. The scientific community, understandably, demands more concrete evidence: a body, DNA, or clear, undeniable photographs. Without it, the skunk ape remains firmly in the realm of folklore and cryptozoology. Yet the consistency of the descriptions, the sheer number of independent sightings, and that unforgettable smell all combine to create a narrative that's hard to ignore. It's more than just a local legend. For now, the skunk ape continues its elusive existence in the vast, untamed heart of Florida. a phantom of the swamps, leaving behind only questions, footprints, and an unforgettable, pungent memory. It forces us to consider how much of the natural world truly remains undiscovered. What else could be hiding, just beyond the reach of our understanding, in the last wild places on Earth? The skunk ape challenges our perceptions, reminding us that even in our modern, mapped world, mysteries still persist, waiting to be unearthed. Explore another cryptid mystery by watching our investigation into the elusive Yeti next.